welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some cheese and corn muffins. You'll need the following ingredients: 190 grams of milk, $60 grams of fruit chutney, 1 egg, 250 grams of self-raising flour, 300 grams of cheese grated, 200 grams of sweet corn, and 20 grams of chives chopped. Start by mixing your liquid ingredients. Add your milk, your egg, and your fruit chutney into a bowl. And whisk until combined. Right, your mixture is ready to be put into a well-greased muffin pan. Preheat your oven to 180 and start to place your mixture in your muffin pan. Fill it up to almost the top. You will get 12 muffins out of a medium size tin. Muffins are ready to be baked in a preheated oven, 180 degrees. Your muffins have been baking for 23 minutes. Allow them to cool in the muffin tin for 3 minutes before you transfer them to a cooling rack. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. All the ingredients will be in the description box below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. See you next time. Bye.